Cleaning out a trash can, that's some straight-up nasty work. And the worst part? No matter how hard you scrub it, in a few weeks, boom, that funky smell comes right back to smack you in the face. And ain't nobody got time for that. But if you want your bin to stay clean without putting in the effort, you need BagEZ, the trash bag holder that makes keeping your bin clean easy. Sticky wet stuff you throw in stays where it belongs, locked up in what I call bag jail. Nothing leaks out. There's no drippy, slimy stuff messing up your can. All the gross stuff stays isolated and can't get out like it normally would when it's all mixed together. Pretty easy, right? There's no rocket science here, folks. And what about your clean, dry household trash? Like bagged up waste in boxes. You toss it in like you already do, that's it done. Now, on trash day to prep your bin for your garbage truck, pop off the clips, seal the bag, and stash away BagEZ till next time. That's it. No scrubbing, no stink. It's a new approach to an old problem that works, so quit stressing and make life easier. Grab your BagEZ today. Trust me, you'll love it.